Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to buy Binance Gift Card here in the Binance app. Okay. Well, there are actually ways to buy it from third-party sellers, but I'm just going to be showing you right here under the Binance app. Okay. So first up, open up the Binance app, and once you're in here, just go to the top left, tap on the three horizontal lines, tap on it, and once done, as you can see here, we have these options. So just scroll down a bit. Under recommended, we have here more services. Okay, tap on it. And then once done, just go ahead and scroll all the way down. Okay. I mean, all the way down. And you will find others, gift card. All right. So just tap on gift card. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, just tap on OK. Now, as you can see here, in my region, it's not available because some countries cannot purchase or redeem Binance gift cards, including the USA and its territories. Now, if you're able to buy a gift card directly from the Binance app, well, congratulations. All you got to do is just go ahead and click on the Create a Gift Card button. Then go ahead and choose the cryptocurrency, the amount, and the recipient, which is optional. If you want to, you don't need to put the recipient's details. Okay. So that's just basically it. So again, another option to buy gift cards is by going to third-party platforms. Okay, you could go with SEAGM, My Gift Card Supply, G2A.com, or even Iniba. Okay, once you have the gift card, you can go ahead and share it to whoever you want. That is it. That is how you buy Binance Gift Card. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.